Welcome everyone, welcome to our first lesson in HAP, which is how to create a new project in HAP, then how to save it, how to open, how to archive, to retrieve, how to share a file in the HAP, how to prepare the setting options of the software. Let's first start opening the software. This is the HAP. Okay. Then it comes this list. You can make new or cancel. It will create a new project also. New. It comes some options. We'll discuss all the options in detail later, but for now we'll make it very simple and quick one. Therefore, we'll say just OK. Our project is created. Now let's save it. Here, if you just stand here, this is create a new project, open an existing project, save, change the properties, archive, retrieve, and we'll come to every single one of these. Now let's save this project. Save it. It's untitled. Let's name it as sample1. Save. Our project is saved. Again, let's create a new project. This icon is new, create a new project, or from here, click project, new, open, save, save as, new. Keep everything, okay. Our project is created. Let's save it. Project, save or save as sample2. If you see here, this is the extension where the folders are created. Save. Let's navigate to this path. Here, our new project, sample1, sample2, created in this path. We can create a third one to see it. We can create or just save this project as another project with new name, sample3. Save, it's created. Let's see here. Yes, sample3 is created. Then the next one is open. Open an existing project. Simply project open or click the icon open. It will give you the list of the project that you saved or you have. Sample 1, 2, 3. So let's open again our first project, sample 1. This warning message tells you that you have no space or no data in this project. Once you fill any data in the project, this message will not appear. You can press OK. For example, here, if we created any space, we'll come to this in detail, but for now, we'll say just OK, then save here. We'll try to open sample 1 again, but again, open sample 2. It will give you the same message. OK. But if we try to open sample 1 again, no more messages. So it's open because we have created a space or you added any data in the project. It's simple. To summarize what we have learned now, to create a new project, to open an existing project, and to save the project. One last item we need to add it to this list of tasks in this video, which is delete. Project delete. From here, delete. You can select any of the projects, for example, sample3, double click or press delete. So it's being deleted. If you try it open here, no more sample3, cancel. If you check the path, no more sample3. So it was deleted with all its content because every project is being created, even if it's empty, it has set of files created with it. Therefore, when you delete the project, it's being deleted with all its sub-content. Back again to our menu. So we had this list. See you in the next video to continue this list.